Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can upload your project on GitHub. Okay, before starting video, let's see which project we are going to upload and how it looks like. Okay, here is the portfolio project that I am going to upload to GitHub. Okay, so for that we need two things. One is GitHub account, and if you do not have, you create it as simple as how we can create it Facebook, another other application. Okay, and the second one is Git. Just download it. I already download, so I do not need to download. Okay, so first thing, go to project root directory. Here right click and open git bash here. Okay, let's just zoom out for your better visibility. Okay, after that go to GitHub and create repository for our project. Okay, and now you just understand repository means folder where our project is going to store. Okay, after creating repo, then just go to git bash and type first command is git init, and it means to initialize our repository. Okay, also you can see .git file is created. Okay, if that git file is not visible in your system, maybe their file is hidden. Okay, so please check it. Okay, then type git status. It means to show the state of the repository and staging area. As you can see, those file in red color, that means those file is in on stage area. Okay, then next command is git add file name or dot, and dot means select all files. Okay, this command means make those files to staging area. Okay, then let's see after this command those file is staging or on stage. Okay, so for that we have to run git status command once again. Okay, as we can see those file is in green color, that means those file is in staging area. Okay, then next step, to save our changes to the local repository. For that we have to run git commit -m or any message. Okay, after that, for remote connection to original point, we have to run git remote add original repository URL. Okay, now it's time for push the code to our remote repository. Okay, for that we have to run git push original branch name. Here master is our branch name right now. Okay, it takes some time for push. Okay, after push the code we have to refresh GitHub page. Okay, as you can see our code is pushed to GitHub. Okay, if this video is helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you, see you soon.